Yep, y'all, my shit got towed. Ah! What did we learn? What did we learn? Oh, I got a handicap sticker though.
You got your ID?
Yeah, I got that.
Your phone number?
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test.
Hold on, your ID so I can get there. It's registered?
Yep. Yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I parked in the handicap spot. I parked in the handicap spot at my place, and I got a handicap sticker. I ain't gonna lie. I just didn't have it on there, y'all. Like, it fell out the car at a restaurant that I was at. But I'm like, you know what? I be parking here. I've been living here. Huh? Yeah.
Apple Pay?
Yeah, I do.
You can Apple Pay instead if you don't want to use this.
Where at?
How do I Apple Pay? I don't have Apple Pay on my phone.
Back. Yeah. We back, gang.
You just forgot your sticker?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll send it to the night drivers.
Yeah.
And I'll tell them not to tow it. And you're like, is that a handicap? I said no.
Yeah, see, I normally have that bitch up there, but it's gonna be up there every time now. Shit. Alright, appreciate that. Look at my car. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. I be feeling like a man. I ain't studying what you saying when fuck what that you talk, cause I get down. Alright, y'all. We back in my baby, and she don't got no gas. It just sucks that, like, this is the first video that y'all seeing of me. Before I head up out of here, I want to show y'all something. All right? All right. Bow. My girl just told me that I'm supposed to go in circles to clean my car. So, let me show y'all this side, which is, it's not completely dry, but circle, circle, circle. And I really, genuinely, I feel like somebody that really clean cars, you know what I mean? Like, get at me for y'all detailing and shit. Get at me for the detailing and all that stuff. I know the car making me look extra thick right now, but that's me on the daily, y'all. Ain't gonna lie. She said circles. I ain't gonna lie. Love cleaning my car. This is how we do it. You know what I mean? We're just out here cleaning up and shit, you know what I mean? Nobody want to start the week with a, you know, a messy car. So, they make you do it yourself, but it's okay. For the $20? Right.
God, man, a rhythm is so crushing. I'm saying words, but I really ain't saying words. I'm talking about, hey, what the motherfucking words?